Did you know that among all high-rated apps on the App Store, the majority of them have text that occupy 30 to 50% of the screen space? Intuitive and self-evident text prompts are very helpful to the users. There are 4 principles that you might need to adhere to while writing text for your product's experience. The first one is clarity. You should always tell your users what is happening exactly. For example, instead of saying error 404, you should consider something like, oops, it looks like you keyed in the wrong address. Explain to your users what is happening so they can make corrections accordingly. The second is friendliness. Make your app talk to a person and one person only. Instead of delivery address, you can ask, where would you like to send this parcel to? As that would help your app communicate with your users better. The third principle is context. Your text should consider the context in the app. For example, Airbnb prompts users to reconsider their travel arrangements when they can't find any accommodation options. It helps your user feel that they are being taken care of. Last but not the least, personalities. Try to make your text sound interesting and more personalized. It makes your interface more flexible while maintaining your politeness. I hope this tip was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San. You are watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.